Welcome back to the Wild Moto channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're gonna go on a journey. We're gonna buy a bike. We're gonna give it away. Yes, you heard me right. We're gonna give a dirt bike away. I won't reveal just yet what it is, but we gotta drive a couple hours, pick it up. It's just a few years old, but basically brand new condition. I'll explain all the details later in the video. Stay tuned, I'm gonna get on the road. I'll see you when I get the bike. What is up? I know it's been a while. I forgot to pull the camera out when I got the bike, but here it is. It's currently disassembled. It's getting cleaned up. We're freshening this thing up so we can give it away. 2015 CRF110, and it is pretty much a brand new bike. So got it for a decent price, and basically what I decided to do is basically through Wild Moto, put on a raffle. It started way back on March 20th. And it's gonna end June 20th. So a 3-month window there, had raffle tickets all done up. And basically the idea is to kind of keep it local and hook up, hopefully, a young kid that is eager to go rip around. This is an absolute perfect starter bike. And you know, as easy as it could be to take this bike and flip it and make $600-700, I'm gonna go ahead, do a little giveaway for the community. Along with this bike, I hooked up with the company Wicked Audio. They're basically headphone, earphone, earbud speaker company. They got some good products right now, like I got their noise canceling headphones. Absolute money. Basically I reached out to them, and I mean, without missing a beat, they supplied, I forget how many, 6 pairs of different earbuds, headphones, earphones, probably around $300+ worth of product. Basically anybody who bought tickets was also supplied with a 30% off discount code where they could head to Wicked Audio and purchase anything if they wanted to. So that was really awesome of them to do. And then along with that, another prize, $100 cash, some Von Zipper MX goggles, and then an O'Neill duffel bag, basically like a gear bag. There's a couple other things too. But anyway, the main item here is the CRF110. Everybody wants that. So far at this point, I've gotten a lot of support, a lot of people buying tickets, and like I said, it's just something that can be purchased locally. That's kind of the only way that I was gonna be able to keep things local, basically prevent winners out of state. It's Montana only, and you can only buy tickets locally. So although that limits the amount of tickets that are gonna be sold, at least that way, there's a lot higher chance of somebody local that's gonna actually win this bike and put it to use. All of this is being facilitated through Wild Moto. If you want to check out Wild Moto Instagram, it's wild_moto on Instagram. Plenty of moto content from dirt to street to snow, everything and anything. And basically I'm starting to add giveaways in here and there, whether it just be like Wild Moto decals or actual MX products or dirt bike or street bike products, things like that. And I imagine the more that this channel and that page grows, the more prizes that we're gonna be able to give away. And that's, I mean, who doesn't love prizes, right? So that's the hope. Basically, I'm just getting this bike torn down a little bit so that I can clean it up and make sure that it is 110% ready to go. It already, you know, runs good, looks good, but take it over the top just a little bit more, so that we can surprise somebody with it. Got the carb off, cleaned it up. There's just a little bit of gunk in there. Seat and plastics, they're all good to go. All I know is that if I was a little kid, I would be absolutely pumped to get this bike. One thing I forgot to say is where all this money is going. So all proceeds are going to be split up amongst the 3 high schools in my area, and that's just whatever cash is brought in from the raffle. Basically going to be divvied up. And one of the things I was going to donate to was a Montana Highway Patrol trooper, Wade Palmer. Basically the day that I started my raffle, he was actually shot and somehow survived, but essentially a fourth of the proceeds are gonna go towards him. So we've got 3 local high schools, and then the last quarter is gonna be divvied up and sent to Wade and his family. A lot of people are like, why don't you just sell the bike and donate that $2 grand, you know, amongst what you're doing? And to that, I'm like, well, where's the fun in that, you know? Nobody ends up with a free dirt bike. Nobody ends up with all these other prizes that we got going. And it's also just something that gives people something around here to get involved with. It's simple as that. Yeah, I could go sell this for $2+ grand and put that in my pocket, or obviously donate it, but instead gonna be given away along with a bunch of other prizes. You know, it may not be a whole lot of money, but it's still something. Now this bike, it's not perfect. There's a couple little scuffs here and there, a couple scratches, but I'll tell you what, not much you can complain about.
You know, I honestly don't know how Buttery Films and Medium Boy can ride around on these things and do it so well.
I just gotta say, look at this lineup here. Got the 110, 125, 450, and the 250 back there. I think this is the dream maybe right here. Too bad I'm giving that one away, and I'm fixing and selling that one. You already know what time it is. It's SC1 time. Ooh, I barely have enough for this bike. Well, there she is. Not perfect, but pretty damn close. Hopefully one day we can get to the point where we're giving brand new ones away. That would be pretty damn awesome. So there it is. That is the bike, and that is the plan. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks this thing will be given away. So as far as subscribers, should I give you something? Maybe something free? I was thinking maybe some goggles, maybe some gloves, but I kind of settled. I think I'm just going to give away one of these decals right here. You know, the least I can do is give one of those away. So the only way you can win that is if you comment down below. But in your comment somewhere in there, you gotta put Wild Moto. That's the only way that you'll be able to win that thing, okay? Sound like a plan? Hopefully I can maybe inspire somebody to do the same. You know, it doesn't necessarily have to be on the level of giving away a dirt bike, but something, anything. So the sport definitely needs more people out there, and when you can do something like this, it helps bring that community vibe together. It gives somebody that may not have had the opportunity to go ride a dirt bike, own a dirt bike, gives them the opportunity to do so, and who knows where they'll take it. So that's the message I have for you. As always, tons of links down in the description. Check them out. Check out Wild Moto on Instagram. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.